In the United States alone, there will be an estimated 1,735,350 new cancer cases diagnosed and 609,640 cancer deaths in 2018. More than 3 people and at least 1 cancer death each minute. How horrible is that? More and more scientists and biologists are discovering that resonant frequencies can destroy cancer cells. However, only a few people know that resonant frequencies cured 16 terminally ill patients with various cancers back in 1934. The first 14 patients recovered in just 70 days, and the remaining 2 recovered 3 weeks later. Incredibly, the patients only required 2 3-minute sessions per week to achieve total recovery. This medical trial used frequency equipment designed by Dr. Royal Raymond Rife. Of course, the results aroused the attention of the entire medical community. As a great scientist, inventor, and engineer, Dr. Rife was a genius. Based on his previous work, Dr. Rife believed that microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites, were at the root of all disease. To prove his theory, Dr. Rife needed to observe these pathogens in their living state during his experiments. Some of these pathogens are incredibly small, particularly viruses. No equipment existed at that time to view them directly. As an outstanding mechanical engineer and microscopy expert, Dr. Rife made a microscope which could magnify 60,000 times. Better yet, the superior magnification was equalled by its resolution. Dr. Rife's microscope used monochromic light that caused the organism to fluoresce. Rife could identify the virus he observed by the colour they refracted. A modern electron microscope can only view dead pathogens. Organisms are killed when they are prepared for viewing. Observing how organisms move and behave in real time provides valuable information. Because cell samples were still living while being observed, the Rife Universal Microscope was vital for the research of frequency treatments for disease. Dr. Rife knew that everything vibrates at its own natural frequency. He believed that if he could discover the frequencies of disease-causing microorganisms, he could destroy them with the same vibrational frequency. In much the same way, opera singers match the frequencies of wine glasses with their voice and shatter them. On the basis of this theory, the 1934 medical trial proved that the Rife machine was, and still is, an effective cancer treatment system.